Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to check account status on Instagram PC. We start by opening our Instagram account in the browser. Next, we enter the More option and then Settings. After that, we will click on the Account Status option. Here we can see information about our account. We'll be able to tell if there are features we can't use, if followers have to scroll through the feed to see your posts, or if any of your content has been removed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.